All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. So as it stands, we're going to discuss Molynes United. As you know, last season wasn't a good season for Molynes. They struggled. They really, really struggled. And the shining light in Molynes last season was Nicholas Nelson. He's not the only player, but he was actually the most outstanding player in the team. Nevertheless, there are some big changes coming to Molynes United this season. We're going to get into the details of that, but before we do that, I would really appreciate it if you guys smash the like button. I'm on the road to 50,000 subscribers, and the only way I can reach that landmark, yes, it's far-fetched, it's a lot, but the only way I can reach is by you guys hitting that subscriber button. Turn on the notification bell as well to get all latest updates as possible. I'm going to go straight into the details right now. So, as you can see, this story was break from the Observer, Howard Walker actually, saying former national youth captain Alex Thomas will be the next head coach of Molynes United. Wow. All right, so let's get into the details. Thomas, who resigned from Arnett Garden in 2021 after 2 years in charge, is expected to be announced as the new man in charge of Molynes in short order. Efforts to get confirmation from the club's hierarchy provided futile as everyone was tight-lipped while hinting that a press release will be sent out with the announcement of the new coach. Thomas will replace Garnet Lawrence, who led Molynes United to 11th place last season, a run that included 4 wins, 3 draws, and a massive 15 defeats in 22 games. People, that was a really, really bad season by Molynes. Poor, very, very poor season. And as I was really in tune with the season that Molynes was having, that's one of the things that I continue to repeat, that this is not a good season. They're not playing well. Then they have a good squad of players, but they just weren't playing well. It's just unfortunate that Lawrence couldn't get the best out of the team at that one time. Thomas, who captained Jamaica under 17 team to the 1999 World Cup in New Zealand, was spotted on the touchlines instructing when Molynes United defeated Arnett Garden 2-0 in their under 20 match over the weekend. All right. So definitely, funny enough, I was at that game. I was definitely at that game. If anyone know, but I wasn't even well, because I was so far away. I wasn't even focusing on the coach. I should have really seen something from that time. But anyway, he has one cap for Jamaica senior team, which he earned under Serbian coach Bora in a Lunar Kupa, China. I won't try to pronounce that name. The 39-year-old Thomas comes to Molynes United with a wealth of experience, having coached at his alma mater, Molynes Boys, at every level, and having been appointed head coach in 2018. Having spent 9 years coaching the Molynes under 16 team and serving as an assistant coach in the Manning Cup, he replaced Rudolph Speed. Thomas, who played for Arnett Garden, was appointed head coach in 2019 and led the team in the truncated 2021 season. We all know what that season went to 9th place with 8 points from 10 games. That's quite poor. Losing 6 times. That's really, really poor. 10 games, 6 losses. Not so good, but we'll see. He would later resign in October, saying he needed time to reassess his goal and aspirations in a period of retrospection and renewal. He was replaced by Paul Teagat Davis, who led Arnett Garden to 3rd in the regular season with 12 wins, 6 draws, and 4 defeats from 22 games and into the playoffs. That was a good season under Teagat. Teagat really stepped up his mantle and put in a showing. The boys respected Teagat. You can definitely see that. Won't go any further than that, people. So Alex Thomas will be the new head coach for Molynes United. Let's see how this one turns out. As you know, last season when he had Arnett, it wasn't that good, but we'll see how he learns from that experience going forward. And let's see Let's see what Molynes will be doing this season. We're gonna go now, people. So make sure you guys smash the like button, follow us on our socials, on Twitter, and also on our Instagram. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, we are out. Boom.